Some drivers become jealous of bikers' ability to filter through heavy traffic. This biker encountered one such driver. Take a look.
Oh. What's your problem? Hang on, let me see. I'm allowed to filter you, daft. I'm coming down the side and then you're forcing down and trying to block me film coming in. Oh, f off, you nonce. You pervert. Nonce. Yeah, you nonce. You must be a nonce. You must touch kids or something. You must do, because you don't even know how to drive a car. You don't even know filtering's legal, you prick. See yourself on YouTube, mate. Prick. Oh, blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah, blah. You're boring me now. Off. Oh, yeah, what? And what? You know what I mean? You're nothing, prick.
This biker recorded an incident involving a drunk woman on the bicycle and a car driver, where the woman ran a red light and subsequently denied responsibility. This biker remained on the scene until the report was filled. Take a look.
Vous voulez que je vous donne la vidéo après?
Je peux vous appeler?
Ouais.
Vous avez donné mon numéro?
Ouais, non mais je suis d'accord. Allez madame, vous êtes passé au rouge, ça sert à rien de vous justifier. Je t'envoie la vidéo ce soir dès que je rentre. Après appelle la police hein, si elle veut pas. Vous êtes en tort madame. Le feu il était quelle couleur?
Il était quelle couleur?
Ah ouais, elle est pas dans. Non mais là il y a des dégâts sur la voiture.
Bon, dépêche-toi parce que j'ai donné 3 heures. Bah, moi je travaille aussi. Et la suite, faut qu'on se casse,
Et pas les coups de ce que tu veux. C'est rien, ça arrive.
Fais le papier, je te signe, je te donne mon nom, mon adresse, mon numéro de téléphone, donc avance dans la démarche.
Bah, il faut que je le vérifie quand même. Dis, on va pas appeler la police maintenant.
Vas-y, appelle la police. Eh ben, appelle la police.
Il y a des dégâts sur sa voiture, c'est normal. S'il y a besoin de quelqu'un pour témoigner ou quoi, je suis là. Ah non, là ça va, t'as donné ton adresse et ton prénom.
Mais même si je faute, j'ai aucun problème de justifier. Je crois que mon vélo il s'est fracassé là, mais combien de fois on m'a fracassé mon vélo, combien de fois la police est intervenue. Eh, je l'avais pas bu comme j'ai bu aujourd'hui. Hein. Là je te l'avoue, oui j'ai bu et alors, c'est pour ça que j'ai créé le feu rouge. Je le fais tous les jours, je travaille pour aller à Lille. Je grille des feux rouges tous les jours. Et alors, les caméras m'observent. Bien sûr que tous les jours, je grille des feux rouges. Bah ouais. Je suis pas dans ma tente en fait. La voiture, elle s'arrête. Moi, je regarde. Si tu traverses, je m'arrête. Bah ce soir...
Tu t'es pas arrêté, ouais.
Et alors, demain, je vais repartir. Je vais recommencer. Ça va pas m'arrêter en fait. Hop, tu vois ça?
Ça va aller.
A group of bikers was riding together when cops decided to intervene by swerving in front of them, triggering a chain reaction that led to a pileup. This biker had to think fast. He had only one option to avoid a direct hit, and choosing that option probably saved his life.
Dude, oh my god. Right? Oh, man. Don't move, let the paramedics get here. Can you get my phone for my bike if you see it? It should be on the bike.
Yeah, do you see a phone over there? By his back? Oh, wow.
My friend just got hit yesterday.
I'm gonna
put my hands right behind your neck, okay?
Alright.
We have to stabilize that head, okay? Don't move. Do you know where you are?
Yeah.
You have any pain in your hips or anything?
My whole lower right leg.
Okay.
This hand.
Okay. Don't move it,
This
okay?
hand.
Okay.
Oh man.
It's your right leg.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you move your toes and stuff?
Yeah. It's more the ankle or the foot.
You said his left arm was hurting him.
Okay. You don't have any medical issues?
No.
No? Okay. How long?
Yeah, I just got off work. I was going home to Victorville.
I'm sorry. Well, you're going to want to drink after this.
Yeah, I don't really drink, but I might start now.
Yep.
Hey, I'm a witness to the whole thing.
Awesome. Thank you, man.
I've been down before, dog. Don't.
My friend went down yesterday.
Justin, you ever been to the hospital before?
When I was born.
When you were born, that's about it. So you've just been a healthy dude. Is this a go cam?
Yeah, it's all on there. It's all on there. Maybe I could be a millionaire off the YouTube video, you know?
You know, I'll tell you what, that'd be right down somebody's alley. As long as you're okay. That's the main thing.
Maybe I can pay for a new bike. Dude, the driver are they over there?
I think they're standing right here.
Alright.
Talking to him.
You go smack him in the head for me?
This driver missed the turn and, without checking their mirrors, made a sudden swerve, leaving biker with no opportunity to avoid the crash.
No, I'm fine, yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I am so sorry. I totally did not see you at all.
Bonjour.
Les temps est interdit aux motos. Hein.
Ah ouais?
Ouais.
C'est écrit où?
Marqué à l'entrée là-bas et c'est marqué à l'entrée là-bas.
Moi, le chemin que j'ai pris, il n'y avait pas de panneau.
Ah, c'est interdit aux motos depuis belle lurette. Hein.
Ah ok. Moi, je sais pas, j'habite.
les temps, logiquement, je devrais appeler la gendarmerie ou la police rurale.
Non, bah merci, je savais pas. Mais là où je suis passé, il n'y a pas de panneau. Par...
Et sachant que c'est interdit aux quads et aux motos.
Ok. Bon, merci.
Une fois, mais pas deux.
J'habite pas ici, donc je savais pas.
Une fois, mais pas deux.
Bonne journée. Bon, les gars, je savais que c'était interdit ici, mais pas à cet endroit-là. À l'entrée du chemin, il n'y a pas de panneau, hein. J'en ai pas vu.
Lane filtering presents a risk when drivers unexpectedly open their doors, putting bikers in vulnerable position and causing potential accidents.
Caramba, meu, tem que olhar o retrovisor. Ai, meu Deus do céu, viu? Tem que aposentar de carro, viu?
You knobhead.
Transfiguration Road is one of the world's most famous roads, known for its diverse wildlife and a reputation as a challenging route for the bikers.
Da, n-am nica. Dar pasul bine? Da, nu se sparg.
Nu te doare nimic?
Nu, n-am nica, am chicat în cur.
Poți liniști tot?
Nu, dar n-am nica.
Care e căzut. Ești ok?
Da. Hai să mergi.
Cătinel, mai încet, Adelin.
Băi, dar o fugit roata, coaie. Știi și nu mai am ăsta. Butonul, coaie, dacă l-aș găsi. Dar și șanse e, coaie. Da? Hai rup, mă fut în el.
Pula mea mai încetul, coaie.
Dar n-a mers tare, coaie, dar au fugit curul.
Nu spune acum că n-ai cum.
El.
Nu spune acum că n-ai cum. Nu știu, bagă-l în buzunar, coaie. Pornește asta, oare?
Nu, că eu plecam benzina la carburatoare. Asta. Numai pe vremea asta n-am mai împins la asta. Gone. I almost caught it as well. I'm not getting that back. We straight up just lost the camera. God damn it, I only just pulled that as well.
This biker made the right decision, choosing his safety over the GoPro, realizing it wasn't worth risking his life.
You got someone coming? Certainly. You take care, okay?